Hey Warriors, this is Sara, Live Free Warrior. Welcome back to Live Free TV. Now I posted this on my Instagram about a week ago and I shared about priorities and excuses. And I chimed in, who wants to hear more about this? And many of you wrote in to me, hands down, that you wanted a full video on this. So here it goes. Priorities and excuses. And the only valid excuse for not doing something is it's not a priority. The only valid excuse for not doing something is a priority. That's right, I said it twice because it's really true. Think of it. If you're not doing something, you're not making it a priority. If something is absolutely necessary, that becomes the front and foremost thing that you're going to put your focus on. We will come up as humans with so many excuses for not doing something. It's either the weather outside or I'm too tired. Right, I'll skip my workout, I'll start it tomorrow. These are all excuses because we're not prioritizing our health. Now, if a doctor told you you need to start exercising today, otherwise you're gonna have a heart attack tomorrow, I bet your ass you're gonna get yourself to the gym, right? It's a mentality shift and what is gonna make your goal, what you're trying to do, an absolute priority. Now, how do we do that? I choose to focus on the why. Why are you looking to achieve or do this thing? Why are you trying to make it a priority for you? And you gotta get really clear. This is individual for all of us. My health became a big priority after cancer, after I started to mentally and physically reconnect my mind and my body. So we all need to know our personal whys. My favorite way of figuring out my why is journaling and self-reflection. Movement's the other one. Those are all ways that I've learned a lot about myself, how I feel, what I like to do, and my why to make things a priority. These days, eating well, traveling, creating, moving, these are all a part of me. Those are priorities. When you're trying to schedule out, and you'll say, well, Sara, yeah, that's great, but we only have so many hours in a day. A way to approach what's a priority and how to make time for it, and what's something that it's great if it happens, not really gonna lose any sleep over it if it doesn't. Create big stones. So you think of what those big stones are in your day. For me, one of them is movement, another one is spending family time with my husband, and another one is to eat well, and the other one, of course, is to work and to create. Those are all the big stones that I need to incorporate into my day. The rest, sometimes social media, some of the emails that come in, do I need to take a walk and go food shopping? Those are things that kind of pour in as sand between the bigger stones. Do I need to do them? Probably not, right? But great if they happen. But either way, those big stones that get placed in are gonna happen prior because I've already scheduled them in. So what are your priorities? Get clear on that for you. And what are you allowing as an excuse to get in your way of those big stones from taking place? Cut the bullshit, no excuses, do the damn thing. What? Keep going. If you want to do something, I get cut. The only valid excuse for not doing something, it's because it's not a priority.